Yo, 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 bad breakfast in the zone, and welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how to make slime. So, first what you're gonna need is a bowl. You're gonna need a stirring stick to stir the slime, some glue, some detergent, some lotion, and some crystals. The crystals are optional, you do not need to put them in. So, let's get started. Please do not eat any of these things as they could be very deadly. First, you're going to want to take the cap off your Elmer's glue and pour it in the bowl. Then add detergent and stir very well. Now we're going to time lapse this. So please enjoy this short, very fast video. Okay, just to show you how the slime's going, we needed a bit more detergent, and so we're gonna put more detergent and then you can go to another time lapse. So see you at the other end. And the slime is done being stirred. Now you're gonna need to add some crystals to your slime, and then you're gonna need to play with it. So then the crystals get put in the slime. We're just gonna watch the slime being played with. And if you're wondering what kind of spoon that is, it's just a plastic spoon with the end broken off. So next, you're going to need to add some lotion to it. Lotion makes it softer and smell better. And also, the lotion, fun fact, makes it also stretchy. Oh, just look at that slime. Just look at it. Don't you wish you could play with it? Well, you can, because that's why I'm making this video. Okay, well, we're gonna add a few more crystals to this. You can add as many crystals as you want. Crystals, I got them from my friend at school. So I don't know where you can find them. I'd suggest looking at Dollarama because Dollarama has everything. Not sponsored. Well, thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.
Sorry, no.
Peace!